So my name is Andy Nichols, and I'm the lead for an R consortium working group called the R Validation Hub. The R Validation Hub is a collaboration to support the adoption of R within a biopharmaceutical regulatory setting. Essentially, what brings us together is that we all work in this pharmaceutical regulatory setting, and we are subject to good practice regulations. We all want to use R, but there's a lot of unknowns about what it is we need to do to use language like R to be compliant with the regulations. And then the main technical challenge is that R is not just a language, of course, it's an ecosystem with varying qualities. You have things like the base language, recommended packages, tidyverse, several other really good packages. But you also have 15 to 20,000 packages on CRAN that follow varying degrees of good practice in their development. And that's where the challenge really lies in our industry. So what we've done is we've pulled together the relevant regulations, and our primary output so far has been a white paper, which is titled A Risk-Based Approach for Assessing R Package Accuracy Within a Validated Infrastructure. Essentially what that does is it explains how you might go about performing a virtual audit to reduce risk and be compliant. More recently, we've been focused on the tools centered around an R package called RiskMetric, which in a nutshell collates the metrics that can be used to help perform a virtual audit. As a result of what we've done, several companies are now attempting to implement our white paper. And we've recently asked contributing organizations to share their experiences with a view to further refining the guidance that we've put out. In future, we hope to extend our tool set and create an example framework that companies can use to further facilitate the process. Longer term, our aim is to reduce uncertainty, and we want to see R become a mainstream language for regulatory work. But in doing so, we're effectively defining and creating standards. We're saying, if you want your package to be used and cited for regulatory work, then this is what we would like you to be doing. And if that further drives consistency across the R package developer community, then that can only be a good thing. Thank you very much.